Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw a Christmas turtle. It's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners, okay? So, here's what we're going to do. First thing I'm going to do, well, like I said, it's 8 minutes, sorry about that, and stay all the way to the very end. What I want you to do before I start is to subscribe. Click the subscribe button for Christmas drawings and Halloween drawings. So, and when next year rolls around, basically what's going to happen is you're going to get reminders for it next year. It's a seasonal channel, so lots of good stuff. All right, let's get started. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to draw a curved line down for the front of the turtle's face. Maybe even lower than this. Pull up. Circle. Turtle's eye. Line across. And eyeball coming out over here. Put a little bit of a highlight there. Curve around here for the face. Little smile, little line right there, not smile. Line down for the neck. Right here we're going to start the shell. Large hump shape. Bottom of the shell here, going to have a little bit of a riveting shape. Let's draw one right here, foot down. It's going to be very marshmallow looking. Another one over here. Let's go over here to the back. Same thing. Curve over here. Line, line for the bottom of the surface there. So let's put in some shapes here. You can draw a line, 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 line. Maybe like a, it doesn't have to be like a, maybe like a hexagon. And then just start pulling out from there. Doesn't have to, oh, I'm going to draw a flat line across here though. And then just kind of follow that as it goes. You don't have to super over plan it, but I would, you know, just kind of carefully look at the lines that's going on here and approximate like where it's going to go. Right there. It's more of a diamond. That one's something else. And you just keep carrying it out. Line over here. All right. Let's go here, find his hat. Zigzag in the front. Zigzag in the back. And then we're going to zigzag all the way across. It's going to be the brim of the Christmas hat. Line over here. Don't forget to press the like. The like, it's kind of what supports the channel and what gives us, you know, support. Definitely hit the like if you enjoy this. And we'll just go over here. Line up. Down. Down, and it's going to go down further to the front of him. About that point. Let's draw like a little star there at the end. Well, a star shape. Right on. Let's do a nail here or two. Cool. So let's go in with some colors really quick. First thing I'm gonna do is take a red actually, and I'm gonna color in that the hat, because that's important. Ow! Sorry, it was hard to get that off there, the latch off. Right on. Curve over here. And let's go over here on this side. And I'm gonna grab a. So I'm gonna grab a more of a dark green here for his shell, and I'm gonna use a lighter green and yellow for the bottom of his shell and the rest of his body. So one thing I want to talk about real quick is why I use this colors. I like using these because, I mean, I can also, by the way, I recommend this or colored pencil or crayon. I wouldn't use watercolor unless you got like watercolor paper that you're drawing on. And I also recommend Prismacolor specifically, because specifically Prismacolor is just a really good marker. So I really highly recommend that. I'm gonna use a yellow real quick for the bottom of his body there. There's some like goop. There we go. For the bottom right there, bottom of the shell. It's like a Mario thing. Let's find like a lighter. I'm gonna use a lighter green here. So the reason I use these markers specifically is they don't smear. Like, see the black ink I'm going over, and it just goes right through it without nothing. It doesn't smear it. When you do that with Crayolas, it totally smears it, and that's a big issue. So that's why I highly recommend it. Go check out the link in the description. I'll put a link there for the ones I use. And that's it. As far as that goes, you know. You just kind of fill it in and you color it in. I color it in relatively flat, and that's kind of what I do a lot of. I'm just like, all right, cool. He's chilling out. Just doing the job. Flat here. It's fun and chill. All right. Hopefully you learned from that, and if you had a great time, okay? What I want you to do is to share this with somebody, please. When you share it, it really helps a lot. So thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video, okay? Oh, I forgot. There's a couple other announcements. Check out the link in the description. That's really important. If you want to become a better artist all around, there's a lot of links in the description that'll get you to become a much more strong artist and a powerful artist. So go look at that. But there you go. Thank you so much, and say hi to me in the comments section, or if you have any other things to say, say them in the comments. And yeah, talk to you later.